in the end. Still I grow frost when I'm reminded. Euphemisms on a loop interchange. Which hands get to turn the final page? In whose throat belongs the swan song? Crisis, warming, denial, change. State TV helps the public explain. Broadcast beamed into the dry terrain. Images of drenched survival, without hope but soaked with pain. Consequences of reality felt. All conditions of humanity built on the bridges, tent villages, waiting for the state to help. Glass barely bends before it cracks. Embedded down into our path, paved in the crimson of our tracks, without the chance of turning back. Before the water gets too high, before the water gets too high. If the clock strikes midnight, then what becomes of our demonstrations? To which fate have these gatherings fell? Which walls echo all the chants we yelled? Into faces on the coins we tossed into the wishing well. Drinking water on which we subsist, mixing into rivers that did not exist. Yesterday when all the warning signs were there but sorely missed. What's it worth, all the money we made, floating idly in a newborn lake, far above financial centers? Cities sink like market rates. Glass barely bends before it cracks.